What's up, guys? It's been a minute since we've done cookies, and about a decade since we've done cornbread. So today, we're gonna combine them and do some super easy to make protein cornbread cookies with a buttercream protein frosting. So let's jump right into it. P.S. If you haven't tried the protein cornbread yet and like cornbread, I'll drop a link below. It's delicious. Also, subscribe if you haven't already. We're this close to our 500,000 goal by the end of the year. Start this one with a mixing bowl. Add into it 100 grams of a cornbread or muffin mix. I use the classic Jiffy mix, but any mix should work, even a gluten-free one. Alternatively, if you don't have access to a mix, I'll include how to make your own on the proteinchef.co with metric conversions, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Continue with 1.5 scoops of a vanilla protein powder, 1/8 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 3 ounces of a vanilla Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of melted butter, half a tablespoon of honey or another sweetener like stevia, brown rice syrup, and so on, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything together until smooth, then put your mix into the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes while your oven preheats on 375. Take out a lined baking sheet and drop your mix onto your pan, making them however big you want to. I made 5 today. Put those into the oven on 375 for around 6 to 8 minutes. It's better to pull them out too early than too late. So keep an eye on them. There's no egg in these, so you don't have to worry about undercooking. In the end, they should look like this. Couple tips for these. Number 1, to make this buttercream protein frosting, you can mix together these ingredients. I'll also post this recipe on the website with some alternatives. Number 2, you can mix and match your protein powder and Greek yogurt flavors to change up the flavor. Example, think salted caramel or maple. And number 3, double or triple the recipe to make enough cookies for the whole week. Speaking of cookies, the winner of our last Testing Your Guesstimating for the cookies was bang! Congrats to you. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're gonna go with this much Greek yogurt. Guess how much you think it weighs in grams in the comments below. 1 guess per person. The first one closest to it wins a shaker or shirt. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more quick protein recipe ideas like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out the proteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.